Guys, it's going down like Junior Brown today now. Stick around, we got brunch with the barbecue rock star. You don't want to miss this one. Okay guys, so here's the big reveal. Here's how I do my brunch on a Friday morning. So I do have my old-fashioned grits. These are not the quick boil kind. These are not the microwave kind. These are the real kind, folks. Just boiled them for about 25 minutes. And to this, guys, I'm going to add some coarse ground black pepper, some kosher salt, and a little bit of Lowry seasoning in there. Just gonna add that in like that. I'm gonna put into that also, guys, I've got some Hatch green chilies because it is Hatch chili season. To the left, far left, I got some chopped red bell pepper. And of course, in the middle, some finely diced cheddar cheese, okay? And of course, excuse the shoddy camera work, guys. I'm doing this with one hand. It would not be grits without a very healthy pat of butter here, if I can get it to cooperate. There we go. And all we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna mix this to stir, okay? Now, the heat from the water that are in the grits are going to soften ever so slightly the peppers, and it will melt the cheese, giving these grits a very, very good flavor as well as a little bit of crunch. And what I like to do, I like to take my Applewood smoked bacon, and what I like to do, guys, I like to crumble it up in my grits for further flavor and crunch. Grits can have kind of a weird consistency if you're not used to them. You know, I grew up in the deep South, and so I'm used to it. I like it, so therefore it's not a burden to me. But some people don't like the mushiness or the grittiness of the grits. But like I said, I grew up on them. I actually grew up on Georgia's Stone Mountain Stone Ground grits, guys. For Keto Mike, I know you're a Georgia boy. So yeah, I grew up on those really good quality stone ground grits. So guys, all we're going to do now is we're going to add these into our bowl like this, okay? Okay, about like that. We will replace the lid. Thusly, we will grab a couple of pieces of our beautiful Wright's brand Applewood smoked bacon. We'll add that on there like that. We'll take one of these before the dogs come in. We'll crumble it on top thusly. Okay. We'll grab our cup of coffee. And folks, we will say good morning to you. It is Friday morning here in Dallas, Texas. And unless you're in Tasmania, like my man Jonesy, it's probably Friday where you are. So wishing all of my YouTube friends a wonderful, happy weekend. And I will see you guys next week. Thanks so much for watching.